welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study.
Good evening guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I have come with a video on MCQ based on African continent, and this is part 4th. We have already done 3 parts and I hope you have answered them correctly. So we are starting with question number 1. Which of the following tributaries of Congo Zaire river have been matched correctly? You know that Congo and Zaire river are same. First is Ubangi left bank, Sanga right bank and Kasai left bank. So guys, let us see answer to this question through map. See guys, this map, this is Congo river, as you can see written over here, right? This is a west flowing river which drains into Atlantic Ocean, right? So we see this is Ubangi, which is the right bank tributary, and here it is given left bank, so it is wrong option. And see next to this is Sanga river, this is also the right bank tributary, this is river right bank, so this is right option. And Kasai left bank, see this is Kasai and it is the left bank tributary of this Congo river, so it is right. So the option to this would be 2 and 3, right? Question number 2. Consider the following statements about Congo Zaire river. First is the river flows into Atlantic Ocean. It is right, I just told you, at Matadi, which is a port city of Angola. No, it is not right because Matadi port lies in Zaire only. Although Angola country is touching the boundary of Zaire, but this Congo river flows into Zaire only, right? Second option, it is the only river of the world to cut equator twice. Actually, it is cut. Yeah, this option is right, so the answer would be B, only 2. As I told you earlier also that this is the only river. Congo केवल एक ऐसी river है जो इक्वेटर को 2 बार काटती है, right? And it lies in Africa, so you must remember this. See this map guys, you can see this country Democratic Republic of Congo. मैंने आपको बताया था इसको जायरे भी बोलते हैं, right? This is the river Congo river, जिसका जब ये ओरिजिनेट होती है तो इसका नाम होता है लुआलाबा, एंड देन स्टैनले फॉल्स के बाद इसका नाम कॉन्गो पड़ जाता है, राइट? एंड इट फ्लोज इनटू साउथ अटलांटिक ओशियन एज यू कैन सी. और आप ये कंट्री देख सकते हैं, दिस इज अंगोला कंट्री, बट ये जो रिवर है, सी दिस रिवर फ्लोज टू दिस इज मटाडी पोर्ट एंड इट फ्लोज इनटू अटलांटिक ओशियन लाइक दिस. सो अंगोला से इसकी कोई बाउंड्री टच नहीं करती है. यू कैन सी दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन गाइज. इट द रिवर फ्लोज इनटू अटलांटिक ओशियन राइट एट मटाडी, राइट, विच इज द पोर्ट सिटी ऑफ अंगोला, रॉन्ग, जायरे. Right, it is the only river of the world to cut equator twice. It is right, so option would be B. Question number 3rd. Consider the following statements about Niger River. It originates from Ethiopian highlands. No, it is wrong, as I have already told you guys कि ये लोमा माउंटेन से निकलती है गिनी के. Second is it makes delta in Atlantic Ocean near Port Harcourt in Nigeria. Yeah, it is right, so the answer would be 2. Only 2 would be the correct option. See this map guys, these are the Loma mountains of Guinea. See first, this is the country Guinea, right? And these are the Loma mountains, and from here originating this Niger river, right? And then it is going towards south and ultimately it flows into Atlantic Ocean. And see this river, Niger river, is flowing into Nigeria, right? Flowing to Nigeria and then ultimately in this ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So you can see this question again. It originated from Ethiopian highlands. No. It makes delta in Atlantic Ocean near Port Harcourt in Nigeria. It is right, so option would be 2. Only 2 would be the correct option. Question number 4. Consider the following statements about Zambezi River. It rises from Katanga Plateau. Yeah, this option is right. It passes through 6 African nations. This is also right. Lake Kariba is also located on Zambezi River. This is also right, so our answer would be very much visible. C would be the correct option. See guys, this is Zambezi River in Africa, right? And this is Lake Kariba, which lies on this river, and this river flows into this Indian Ocean. As you can see, this is making delta over here, and we can count the 6 African nations. It is originating from Zambia, from here, right, from Katanga Plateau, and then Angola, and then it is touching boundary with this country. This is Namibia, right? Then Botswana, then Zimbabwe. You can see this is going like this, and then through this country Mozambique. So these are the 6 countries, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See this question again, right? It rises from Katanga Plateau, right? It passes through 6 African nations, right? Lake Kariba is also located on this river, right? So option would be C. Question number 5. Consider the following statements about Limpopo River. It lies to the north of Orange River. Yeah, this is right guys. These questions are based on the videos which we have already done, the African continent which we were doing. And guys, if you have not watched those videos, you can go to my playlist, or I will provide in the link in my description box, right? So it cuts across equator. No, it is wrong because it cuts to Tropic of Capricorn, right? It originates from Drakensberg. It is an Drakensberg Mountains in South Africa. Yeah, this is right. So the option would be C. Only 1 and 3. See this map guys, this is Limpopo River. It is originating from here, Drakensberg Mountains, and see it lies to the north of Orange River. This is Orange River and it lies to the north. and you can see this is south of Africa. So I think Tropic of Capricorn might be crossing from here, 23.5 degrees south. So it crossed Tropic of Capricorn, not equator, and then it ultimately flows into this Indian Ocean. Now see again guys, it lies to the north of Orange River, right? It cuts equator, no. It originates from Drakensberg Mountains on South Africa, it is right. So answer would be 1 and 3. C would be the correct option. Question number 6. Consider the following statements about Orange River. As we have seen, it originates from Drakensberg Mountains. It is right. It flows into Indian Ocean. No, it is wrong because it flows into Atlantic Ocean. Guys, see this map again. As you can see, this is Orange River, right? And it is originating from here, Drakensberg Mountains, and then it is flowing into Atlantic Ocean. So it is a west flowing river. So you can see this again, it originates from Drakensberg Mountains and it flows into Indian Ocean. It is wrong. Only one would be the correct option. Consider the following about Atlas Mountains. They extend over 6 African nations in Northwest Africa. No, it is wrong because it extends over 3 nations only. Atlas Mountains contain 5 parallel ranges. Yeah, it is right. It is running from northeast to southwest. It is very much right. Mount Toubkal is the highest point of Atlas ranges. It is also right. Mount Toubkal is part of anti-Atlas range. No, it is part of high Atlas range. So our answer would be C. 2 and 3 would be the correct option. See this map guys, these are the Atlas Mountains. It lies in 3 countries. See, this is Morocco country, this one small country is Tunisia, and this one is Algeria, right? So these are the 3 nations in which Atlas Mountains lies. Now see this map guys, we were talking about the 5 parallel ranges. So you can see this is Middle Atlas, right? This is High Atlas range, and this is Anti-Atlas range, this is Sahara Atlas range, and one is missing over here. This is Maritime Atlas. So these are the 5 ranges which are the part of Atlas range. And you can see this is High Atlas. Here lies Mount Toubkal, which is the highest peak of Atlas range. Now you can see this question again. They extend over 6 African nations. Wrong. 3. Atlas Mountains contain 5 parallel ranges. Right. Mount Toubkal is the highest peak. Right. Mount Toubkal is a part of Anti-Atlas. No. High Atlas. So the answer would be 2 and 3 only. C. Question number 8. Consider the following statements about Mount Kilimanjaro. It lies to the east of Great Rift Valley, right? It is the highest peak of Africa, right? It lies in Kenya. No, it lies in Tanzania. So the answer to this would be C, 1 and 2 only. See this map guys, this is Great Rift Valley as you can see. And see, this is Mount Kilimanjaro, 5,895 meter. It is the highest peak of Africa. And see, it lies to the east of this Great Rift Valley. And this is Tanzania country, right? So you can read this question again. It lies to the east of Great Rift Valley, right? It is the highest peak of Africa, right? It lies in Kenya, no. So the answer would be 1 and 2. C option would be right. Yeah, this question also guys, consider the following statement about Mount Kilimanjaro. It is the highest peak of Africa, right? It lies in Kenya, wrong. It lies to the east of Great Rift Valley, it is right. So the answer to this would be 1 and 3, right? This is the cover page question I have tell you. So guys, this was for today. I hope you have enjoyed a lot, and you can also comment your score in the comment box. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment on it, share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.